So this week we've got plenty going on with a lot of carpentry work and renovations, both with my own van and now helping out with a new project of a friend.
Rebuild this cupboard that I have inside. All the pieces are cut for there.
Obviously my T4 transporter called Dubby on the road to interview all the wonderful people that I've met over the last 4 years.
Yes guys, what's going on? Hope you're well. Some rain today. It's been a bit of a crappy week weather-wise. I did half a day's work yesterday helping a friend. It's just little bits, and it's like little bits of cash, little bits of money to keep me going, keep moving forward, keep positive, keep smiling. Going on. So today's job, more or less, is going to be to try and build this cupboard, rebuild this cupboard that I have inside. At the moment, I'm very nervous leaving anything of value inside the van because of what happened in Rome. If you haven't already checked out that video from the story from Rome, check that out now. That was an interesting time for sure. The wicks and bought some wood, which I've got there, like a little pack of wood, and I've got a bit of a solution in my mind as to what I'm going to do. So that's the job for today. The cupboard here, I'm going to put those hinges inside. I'm going to use this wood that I have bought here to do that. So it's going to be a bit of a change around. And then I'm also going to give this wood a clean. If you see here some marks still there from before, that's going to come off. Lovely day today though, the sun is absolutely booming. Slowly getting there, mate. Covering up these hinges. I love a lawn that's been lined up. It looks so much better, doesn't it? It looks sick. The two doors are now done. All the pieces are cut for there. So take these pieces of wood out now. I've just started taking all the screws out you can see the wood needs totally sanding back. The piece I'd done before, drilled the holes there. This has been varnished, so this is really nice now, but this can come out, that can come out, which will allow me to get this piece out. So the same treatment's going to get done to that with the grinder. I'm just going to take that whole layer off again, give it a varnish. So guys, stayed in North Weald last night, watched the fight locally. I'm heading today to Brentwood, playing cricket today for a friend.
I spent an hour or so at the Epping Ongar Railway just having a look around, speaking to the guys there. Do find it quite interesting, to be honest, about coal and steam and how it all works. One of the biggest challenges here was working out how to fit the locks. Not forgetting this piece of ply that needed sanding.
I'm the third out of 4 main pieces of wood that make up the bed, which I'm going to sand back, just mainly because it's just built up mould, as I mentioned before. Over just the year or so since I've had the van, this is built up. So I'm going to need to put a couple of holes in it to give it a little bit more breathability, and hopefully that will stop the mould. Plus I'm going to put some thick varnish over it just to protect it. I think the linseed oil I used isn't the one for this type of wood, so lesson learned there. So obviously after Rome, having been robbed over there, lost everything, any valuables now I've been sort of ferrying between the van and the house and wherever I'm sort of staying. I just didn't want to leave anything in the van, so guys, that job is now done. I'm pretty happy with how it is now. I've got a couple of padlocks on there now, and it's, you know, as good as it's going to be. It's only really a deterrent anyway. I'm pretty happy with how that's worked out. Looks pretty good, and I reckon, yeah. Off to High Beach today. I'm going to meet my friend to help her with her van. She's got a T4. She's designing it herself, funny enough, the whole thing, and just needs a little bit of a helping hand, and it obviously gives me something to do as well. I love the T4s, obviously I had the T4 before. Some memories coming back to me there when I very first started van life and was living in my T4 on the floor, just had nothing, empty thing and a blank canvas. So yeah, that's the plan for today. Going to go to High Beach and meet her and give her a hand, and hopefully get a bit of progress done on that. So talk us through your design, what's going on?
Yeah, okay. So this is obviously my T4 transporter called Dubby.
Okay.
And I bought him, he's been insulated and he's got a solar panel on the roof. I've got a leisure battery that I've put in. And the idea is because he's not like Adam's van, which has got a high top, which means he can stand up and do stuff. I'm a bit limited in my height, so I didn't want to make it fussy where I wanted the flow to carry on. I didn't want to have like high stuff so that it would stop your eye from being able to move around, which then would tell your brain it's a really small space.
Yeah.
So that was the reason for that. And then I made this long bench here so that you can sit on here in the day wherever you want to sit and chill, but also you can get food and stuff in that one. The fridge is going to go in that one, and then the garage and everything is going to go in that one, which is in there already. And then two bits of this which slide along, which will live on top of each other for the bed. But in the day, obviously this will just become like some big, I can chill here, write
chill
songs,
zone. Yeah.
play the ukulele and chill and interview people, because that's the idea.
Yeah.
Is I'm taking Dubby on the road to interview all the wonderful people that I've met over the last 4 years that are standing up to freedom. Freedom. And find out what their experiences have been like and what they're actually doing at the moment with their time regarding music, creativity, because we do know that's what they're coming for now.
It's amazing though, the design. I mean, I can't 100% get my nut around it, but it doesn't really matter. It's just you're pretty much there with it. So
yeah,
it's just a case of just finalising it and putting it all in now, really.
Exactly, and then painting it, because it's all going to paint it green. And then I'm going to do I'm either going to spray paint it. I'm going to do this. I'm going to have freedom written on it right the way along there, that bit. And then you see you've got all this space.
Amazing. I love it. It's brilliant.
And then obviously I'm going to have like pull-out shelves here, all the way along this bit.
Yeah, it's brilliant. So guys, today we're building this here. We're going to extend this over and create a bit of a cupboard sort of area here for Joby. This is the current status of things as it is. I'm just going to work away really. Our two vans have connected in sync, two VWs, love and life. Vamos, let's go.
That was what happened today, or yesterday.
Yeah?
Getting there.
Getting there slowly. With a
Yeah,
bit of teamwork.
It's teamwork, yeah, we're doing really well. I love the design as well of that. That's going to be a great little addition, that little shelf.
So today we've pretty much finished this this box here. A lot of these other boxes were all Joby's sort of design, and kind of just putting it all together now. Obviously it's going to be painted and that at some stage, but more or less we're fairly happy with how the structure is all with it, and just got to keep going with it and just keep working away. But stay tuned next week to keep up to date with the journey. And thanks for watching this video, guys. Thank you.